Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Matthew in Tennessee on the Stryker SR-955HP. Matthew got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, and the ERF 2030 plus MOSFETs for durability and a little more power. Got your static mic over there ready to go, as well as your stereo antenna. It will ship separate, obviously due to length. Matthew, let's get right to it. AM mode, RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Got you set at 2 watts, Matthew, so that you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Say work out great with a 4-pill or something. And you can roll it all the way up to 20. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 68 bird. Peak power in the 250 watt scale. Low around 120. Let's go over here to FM, and that's a very safe and conservative 30 watts all the way up. Over to sideband, hello 1 2 3, hello 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 audio. It'll be around 100 watts on sideband. All right, Matthew, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.